I'm here today with this Hori Apex steering wheel, and I think it's really cool for this price range because, well, it's not that expensive and you get a lot here. So the only thing you're missing with like a more premium thing, more premium steering wheel is perhaps the a little bit more metal everywhere, but the force feedback. So it doesn't have force feedback, so that's a bummer. It has two of these pedals here, so you have your gas and you have your brake. And your brake is also backwards here for something, an arcade racer like this one. And then you get two flippers right here for the controls. So you can use this as the clutch, for example, but it doesn't have a clutch button. So you can't really, well, you have only two, so you don't have a clutch right there that you need to press. And then it has all the normal controls that a PlayStation controller has, so you can go into the menu and use those controls. You have the buttons here that you can use, and then the trigger buttons here as well, and the trigger buttons here on top, so you can also use this to go, but then using the pedal is way more fun, of course. It is really responsive, so I think it's really cool that you have something like this in this price range. And again, I think you're only missing that force feedback from like premium models that Logitech offers. And I think this is a really cool set that you can use for your racing games with the pedals, with the steering wheel. And another advantage here is that it's completely USB powered, so you just need to plug in the USB to your console and then you can immediately start playing. So that's nice as well. The cable clearance is quite large, so that's cool. And you can just put this on anything. So right now I have it in this play seat. I think it's a little bit high for something like this, for a play seat, because it's more built for like tables, I think, which are mostly a little bit lower, and then you have like your steering wheel a little bit up higher, and now it's just a little bit too high for me with something like this in a play seat. So it's a little bit more for like putting this on your table or your camping table in front of you and then just start racing, because the clearance here is just a little bit more than from other types of steering wheels. So you can see that this is more for like a budget range, USB powered. That's cool. A little bit plasticky, but very nice and very sturdy plastic at that. So it feels more like the PS4 controllers, this one, a little bit, than the PS5, but you have a lot here to go on. So I really recommend this for anyone looking for, to get started into racing, who doesn't mind that force feedback, which comes at a higher price level. And then it just is really responsive with the brake there. Let's take the turn. Yep. So it's cool. You can start races here and do everything from your buttons here as well, from menus and selecting things in game. So I really recommend this, and I hope this video has helped you make your choice.